They're mad because they can't.
Am I coming out on the YouTube channel, motherfucker? What's up, baby?
You in the back?
God damn, don't get that me out neither, motherfucker.
I got you, man. You're gonna be mid-video now. That's gonna be the opening of the video. The new Wahl combos.
You know what?
We're gonna be doing a 4 mid-fade. Let's go.
You're doing 2 pool games tomorrow?
Yeah.
Or pool games Thursday and Friday?
Thursday.
So Thursday you'll do 2 pool games, right? And then Friday.
I think I'm not out, but we won't play till Saturday.
Huh?
If we lose, I probably won't play till Saturday, huh? That's it, though. There's only one game Saturday. That's what it is. Whether you're in the winner or lose the bracket.
All right, so now I'm gonna take my 3 guard. We're gonna debulk the sides. Now I'm going with my number 2 guard, lever open. We're gonna come right below what we did with our 3 guard. Now we're gonna close the 2, and we're gonna come right below that. Same thing on this side, 2 guard closed. Trying to clear out most of this bulk and just blend into what we just did with our 3 guard. That way we make this fade a little easier for us to finish. All right, now I'm going with my clipper closed, setting my initial bald guideline. Same thing, we're gonna make sure we're going all the way around the head with this guideline. All right, now we're gonna take our trimmer, give it all this hair down here. We're not going all the way up to this line. We're gonna try to stay right below it. That way it blends into the shaver a little better. It doesn't leave too harsh of a line when it comes to blending into that half guard. All right, now I'm going with my shaver. And we're not gonna go all the way up to that line. We're gonna stay right below it. Just once again, so it's not leaving too harsh of a line.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Now I'm going with my clipper all the way open, sending in my next guideline all the way around the head. And as y'all can see, I'm coming up about 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch, giving myself enough room to blend this line out to give it, this fade, the nice transition. Give myself enough room so it doesn't look too compressed. Now I'm gonna go on my 1 guard lever open. Same thing, setting in another section. Gonna go all the way around the head. Gonna create this section about the same size as the previous section, once again, just to give myself enough room and give that nice gradient look, and also so it won't look too compressed when I'm done with the fade work. And now I'm gonna go on with my 2 guard. I got my lever open, just to make sure all this is down to that length. So I'm gonna close my 2 guard all the way, still attacking the top of this blend. And if I need to, I'll open up my lever just to stretch this blend out a little more and to clean up any areas in the top of this blend. Now I'm going with my 1.5 guard, lever closed. And I open up my lever if I feel it's necessary, but most of the time my 1.5 blends into that 2 pretty good. But I'll probably just open it up just to, give a better overall look. All right, so y'all can see at the top of this blend, I left a slight line, so I'm gonna go back in with my 2 guard once again, starting off with it open and just adjusting my lever closed as needed until this line becomes erased. Now I'm going with my 1 guard closed, and we're gonna start attacking this line right here. Try not to create another line, and if you do, you can just open up your lever if you feel it's necessary. Going in with my half guard. I'm just gonna adjust my lever closed as needed.
God damn it, man. Should've called you earlier.
So now I'm closing it about halfway. Now I'm just gonna close it little by little until this bottom line gets erased.
I finished early. I was gonna take your ass.
Y'all can see, got little dark spots right here, so I'm gonna try to clean that up with my 1 guard. Going in with my lever open at first, and then I'll adjust the halfway closed and all the way closed. So now I'm going in with no guard. I'm just gonna adjust my lever closed as needed to get this bottom line to come out. .1/16 guard for a little bit of detail work. Now we use the trimmer, tap this bottom line right here, and then we're gonna line them up. Now I'm gonna go back in and use whatever guards I feel is necessary to detail. Here's my 1.5. Take my one guard lever open, use some corner blending, and then adjust my lever as needed.
And they're playing in the Astros Fest.
Are they?
Yeah, it starts tomorrow. It's a Friday. This is a Friday. They're mad because they can't.
Am I coming out on the YouTube channel, motherfucker? What's up, baby?
You in the back?
God damn, don't get that me out neither, motherfucker.
I got you, man. You're gonna be mid video now. That's gonna be the opening of the video.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Alright, YouTube, check it out. This is the before look, and this is the finished product. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this haircut in the comment section. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. Remember, guys, if you're in the Houston, Texas area and want a haircut from your boy, you can go to my website, tankbechopping.com. You can book there. If you want me to record it for YouTube, make sure to put that in the comment section. Also, if you want to discount any tools, you can go to wahlpro.com. Use my discount code TANK10. You can go to babelishpro.com. Use my discount code TANK10. Anything off of Tune45, go to Tune45.com and use my discount code TANK. But that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.